Hi everyone, it's Lee from Vaniti House, and we would like to show you the Amore collection, crafted to offer support and comfort for individuals dealing with disabilities, limited mobility, those in their senior years who may encounter balance challenges, or anyone wanting to future-proof their home. Discover our created and unique assortment of accessible handrails and a customizable length wash basin designed to meet your specific needs.
The Amore collection, a selection of product that holds a very special place in our hearts. We value the importance of independence and dignity in our daily life and are passionate about providing a solution that enhance the lives of people facing mobilities and disability challenges entering their senior years. Let's talk about the Amore Pack solution that we currently have on offer. This pack includes 4 essential rails to ensure that your bathroom is future ready at a reduced price. Each rail has been designed to make your bathroom safer and more inclusive, providing you with comfort and a peace of mind for you and your loved ones. For more information on the pricing and technical specifications, please visit Shop.Pro-Connect and email me, and I'll be happy to assist.